Welcome! Today, you'll learn exactly how to customize who can see your following list on the Facebook app for PC using the latest update. If you want more control over your privacy and decide who gets to see the people, pages, and lists you follow, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you logged in to your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can control all aspects of your Facebook experience. Next, scroll down and look for the section labeled Followers and Public Content. Click on it to open more options. Here, you'll find a setting called Who can see the people, pages, and lists that you follow. This is where you can control the visibility of your following list. Click on this option. You'll see several choices, but for full customization, choose Custom. This setting allows you to pick exactly who can and cannot see your following list. A new window will pop up with fields where you can enter the names of people or lists who are allowed to see your following and those who are not. Fill in these fields according to your preferences. Once you're done, click Save to apply your changes. And that's it! You've now set up a custom audience for your following list on Facebook. With just a few clicks, you can make sure your privacy is exactly how you want it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.